guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Christian, and today we have something very special. We're actually gonna go ahead and get my STI corner balance. So corner balancing, what exactly does that mean? When it comes to performance cars, manufacturers try to achieve a 50-50 weight balance. Now, one of the ways that you can alter that balance is actually by adjusting each individual corner's spring rate in order to effectively shift the weight to one side or the other side of the car. So when you install aftermarket suspension, aka coilovers, now you're able to adjust the individual height and weight on each physical corner yourself, right? So for example, let's say on the passenger side front tire, I raise it slightly higher. That will effectively shift the weight to the driver's side rear tire and vice versa. It allows you to lower the car, effectively lower the center of gravity by doing so, and try to achieve as even of a weight distribution within each corner as possible. Now, how will that benefit you at the track? One, it'll allow you to achieve much higher mechanical grip levels because your tires are gonna be functioning a lot more efficiently. That's what I know doing the research that I've done on corner balancing. I got the professionals over here at Ivan's alignment shop in New Jersey taking care of the car right now. We're actually gonna do not only a corner balancing, but we're also gonna do a regular alignment as well to try and dial in the suspension as much as possible in preparation for that track day that I told you guys was coming up. So I'm super hyped. If you can take a look real quick, you can see the whole gang is putting in work right now. Now, let me show you something. So what we went ahead and did at the track, 9 times out of 10, you're required to take off or take out as much of the loose material in the car as possible. You know, for various reasons. One, this is obviously additional weight. Two, they don't want anything unsafe rattling or flying across the car. So we literally took everything out of the STI, and the only thing that's in it is like the stuff that's in the glove box. Now, when they do corner balance, we're not at that point yet, I'm actually gonna be sitting in the driver's seat. This way, it'll optimize the weight balance with me in the car. This is not something where you will see a physical result. It's more of a feeling, but it's definitely something that any of you track guys can benefit from. So if you are interested in getting your car corner balanced and you live in the Northeast, come through to New Jersey over at Ivan's alignment shop. Check them out. This is all the information right here. I'll go ahead and type their address down in the description box below, as well as the telephone number to reach Ivan himself. So this way you can get your car dialed in. Bro, yo, my hands be shaking when I be recording, so I can't have them looking at the video like, oh my God, this guy. All right, fellas, so, and ladies actually, this is the man himself. This is Ivan. He's the one who is in charge of this lovely facility. Now, the professional himself is gonna give you a few wise words.
Let's not say wise words. Let's say some advice, guys.
Okay.
All right, guys. So the first thing you wanna do, you wanna loosen all the sway bar links. We already loosened all the sway bar links. They're all disconnected. That way there's no preload on the suspension. That's one of the things you guys really gotta pay attention. Second of all, we're gonna set tire pressure. Setting tire pressure is crucial. If you have 30 PSI over here and 35, it will change the weight.
Really?
And I'm gonna show you that. I'm gonna prove that to you so you can see, which is crazy. Another thing very crucial, you have to be on a level surface. Now the reason I like doing that on the rack, because just by I press the button, I'm gonna loosen all the plates and the car is gonna be free. So that means there's no binding, there's nothing holding the car back, there's no tension, none of that. So right now what we're gonna do, we're gonna put all the wires on the plates, on the scale, and we're gonna figure out how much it weighs. My boy over here, Joe, is killing it right now.
Joe, say what's up to the peeps, dude.
Joe, why are you so nervous?
Yo, he ran away. You saw that?
Why is he so nervous?
Yo, is this his first time? No, I'm kidding.
He's about to get fired for that, people.
Oh, snap. Oh, snap. I'm weak.
All right,
Super cool peeps.
I'm gonna pull an e-brake real quick so this car doesn't roll off the rack.
No.
And let's see where we're at.
I'm curious to see where we're at, boys. Oh, wow. That's full all the way down?
That's all the way down.
It's not too
Cross
bad.
vehicle weight is, well, let it settle. Yo, you playing with the car over there? Oh, I'm watching you. 5170. Okay, so we're still at 5170 cross vehicle weight. So this is what the front weights, this is what the rear weight. Right. I mean, these cars are pretty balanced out. You know, it is.
Yeah, it's not too bad.
It's not bad. I mean, how much you weigh? No comment. Okay. So
I'm a big boy.
It's either gonna get better or gonna get so we don't know right now, right?
Yeah.
But hopefully it does get better.
All right, cool. So this is a little before I get in the car.
So
take note.
As I stated, right? Remember I said tire pressure is crucial, right?
Correct.
Watch this. Check this out.
All right, so
We're gonna prove
the theory
right now, right?
All right, so
I
driver's
have-
side front tire.
I have about 36, right? I'm gonna bring it down to 30.
Copy.
That's 30 PSI.
Wow, look at that difference, guys. Still correcting a little bit, but
We were at 5170, right?
yeah.
Now we're at 5227.
Yep. I see
You
that.
see why it's so important
To have
make
the
sure
correct
that
tire
pressure is on point.
Correct.
You'd be completely off.
Yep.
So whoever's balancing the car will be like, yeah, you're on point. And
Little
in
did you
reality, little do you know.
Everything is up. No, I'm kidding.
Yeah.
Wow, that's good to know, guys.
So here I am. I'm gonna move this one to 30. That's 30.
This is so cool. I think he's at the back, passenger side now, so you can see the weight shifting again. Wow, this is incredible. I didn't think that it made like this much of a difference.
It makes a huge difference.
Yeah.
But who would know? Tire hot. The tire is hot.
All right, so we're
See,
gonna lower
and
it.
what happens when the tire is hot with pressure?
Up, up.
4 or 5 times.
Yeah.
In the morning, it'll be down maybe 28.
Yeah, you're right.
So that's 30 PSI all the way around. I mean, usually that's where you want to be to race this tire on
Right.
the track, maybe 28, 30 around that area. But as long as they're all even now, we're going to be fine with our corner balancing. So we're at 51.45. Oh, very close. Very, very close. So very little minor adjustment. Well, the moment of truth.
How much fuel you
Oh my God. Yeah, that's actually a really good point. I have.
6 pounds per gallon.
Oh, he even got the math.
Wow.
It is. You gotta weigh your know how much fuel you put in the plane to make it gross.
By the way, Pete
Look at
is
this.
an engineer,
He is
airplane
the
pilot,
OG.
the OG of alignment.
We call him Yoda of alignments. Thank you, Sensei. All right, let me get in the car and stop playing around.
All right, guys, there it is. Pretty much 49.90. We're not gonna go crazy and just, I mean, if we really wanted to have 50, 50, 50, 50 on the dot, we probably move it like a quarter of an inch on the turn. It's possible. Is it gonna make a difference? You're talking about like 3 pounds of a difference. It is not gonna, or it could a little more gas in the tank and we'd be there too, right? But these are our final numbers with the driver in it. How do you feel up there, buddy? Does it feel fast already?
Mentally, yes.
Mentally, yes, of course.
That's what counts. That's the only part that counts.
Yeah, absolutely
You gotta
right.
feel like you're going fast. If you're going slow, it doesn't matter.
Yeah.
Nobody else knows except for you.
Nobody knows. Anyways, we're gonna take it off the scales already. You're already, it's here recorded, so you're gonna be able to see the numbers. Everybody's gonna be able to see the numbers. We're gonna put the gauges on, the target time. We're gonna start aligning it. So you'll be out of the car again and then back in it. I'm sure it's not too hot up there, regardless.
You know, I'm a little bit big, so I'm currently sweating like 10 pounds off. Seat's all wet, but you know, it's okay.
It's all good. Anyways, see you in a few.
And corner balance.
So as for the alignment, we got the back at 1.9, and the front, I stuck it all the way to -2.7.
Gotcha.
I feel so weird driving this. Yeah, I feel very weird in this seat.
Yeah.
I don't know how you drive so low like this. Bro, I really don't.
I need to.
Now, let me ask you a question.
Stock C's. I feel like I'm sitting on top of the car.
Wow, I am so down to the I'm like stretching my long neck just to see. You're not even taller than I am.
I'm not. I'm only like 5'8" and a quarter or something.
No
something
offense, but
like
you should have like a pillow butt that ties it up here or something, bro. Subi Light, what's that? You see that? Subaru community, that's how we do it.
Thanks, you already know.
Yeah. We also have a channel, Ivan's Alignments, or you can hit us up on our Instagram. We don't use Facebook, but we're big on Instagram at Ivan's Alignments as well, right?
There you go.
I mean, we are gonna, your video, I'm gonna post it up on my page as well, you know?
Awesome.
Well, you know, share the
Show some
same.
love.
Yeah, absolutely. That's what it's all about.
Yeah.
I mean, there's no
Awesome. I'm
greed here.
excited.
So, how much power you said we have on this?
Like around 310.
Okay.
Not bad.
Not bad.
It's definitely enough to have fun in the mountains and.
Well, you do the mountains too?
Absolutely.
Show
bro.
them the test drive.
Show them the test
Let's
drive.
show them.
All right.
Yeah,
Well, you
let's show
know,
them
I haven't got the idea. Let's roll with it.
What this could do. I got the perfect road for it.
No way.
Hell yeah.
Oh,
and that's
shit.
the reason I'm driving. You did hold the wheel straight because it is straight.
Yeah.
So I'm happy you did that. A lot of guys do mess it up.
For real?
I'm just solo to the ground and I'm like, where the hell? What's going on right now, right?
Yeah.
Wow, man. Look at the reaction.
Turn, yeah.
Look at that.
That's amazing.
You gotta do like the Formula 1 car.
I was about to say, what were we in the tow game?
On our way coming up, we'll definitely have fun. I bring them down here and they're like, yo, I'm about to go back. I was like, yo, just be careful, man.
For real. Oh, wow. I'm digging this road. What? Yo.
But, hey, what's up? Everybody knows Ivan.
All right, here we go. Full send.
So one thing I like to do, just cruise it slowly, just so I can let the traffic go ahead of itself, right?
There you go.
Again,
He knows the strats.
I am just a drag racer, people. I don't road race, so I got the pickup on my behind, which is dope.
Look at this. No way. It wants to rotate. Yo. My guy is in the zone right now.
In the zone. We are in it.
No way. Oh my God, that's so good. Okay, does it get Ivan's stamp of approval?
No, does it get your stamp of approval? That would be
Guys,
the question. 'Cause
I was
I'm
looking for something to hold on to, but it's oh my God.
I mean, I approve it.
There you
Do
go.
you approve it?
I approve it.
I mean, you're the passenger.
Yo, low
That thing
key,
had to
I
feel
forgot
crazy.
about everything else. I was just, like I said, looking for something to hold on to. I couldn't even listen for anything. I was just like, oh, we're going.
No, you saw how it was hugging
Bro,
those
did you
turns?
see how it rotated? You saw how I wanted to oversteer when you turned in?
I saw that. Again, I'm a drag racer, right? So when I feel that, I'm letting go a little bit, getting back on it. Oh man, I love my job. Having fun with customers' cars is the best.
Oh man, that's awesome.
And it's still nice and straight.
Yep.
Man, by the way, thank you for letting me beat on your car, as I tell everyone.
Yo, honestly, I'll tell you guys this. I was not expecting that at all. I was expecting, you know, like a little putt-putt around town, swerving left and right just to make sure it didn't rub. No.
No, we don't do
No.
that here. There's no
It
little
needs to
putt-putt.
get properly tested. I think we did so thoroughly. What do you say?
Well, I would say so. Now, if you call me and say, Ivan, the car is pulling, I'd be like,
Prove it.
prove it.
Awesome, guys.
That was fun.
There you go. Well, there you have it. That is corner balancing and alignment with Ivan's Alignments, the man himself.
And a
Right
test
here.
drive.
There you go. Certified. So, if you're interested in doing something like this yourself, like I said, feel free to hit my guy up, set an appointment. He'll definitely take care of you. It's only a matter of when. Other than that, guys, thanks so much for watching. I appreciate you. Don't forget, never stop growing, and I'll catch you on the next one.